G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's September 15, 2023. This is the US crude oil price update. Another update for you. The price has been accelerating well past our resistance area here and making new highs. So this is on the daily chart. You can see there the commodity channel index is still rising pretty strongly and it's well past the overbought territory, but no sign of weakness yet. The stochastic, on the other hand, is still below the midpoint, and it's bouncing up from the oversold territory. So again, probably got a long way to go, possibly, before we see any major weakness. Now, in terms of major weakness, I'm talking about major weakness, but in terms of minor weakness, we do have a bearish CCI divergence here playing out. We did have one back here which failed because the commodity channel index at that point rose higher than that entry level there, so that was invalidated and we marked that as an invalid divergence. And we did project another one here, but this hasn't fallen below our entry point, below this trend line, which also coincides with that moving average 50. So as you can see there, it's broken higher than our previous resistance at 88.78. So do a couple of things here. We're going to move that resistance actually to that area there, even though it's broken higher. And we may see, if I zoom out, you can see there's a couple of trend lines there. It's well above this bottom one, and it possibly may reach this new resistance up there, so I'll keep an eye on that. And that resistance has been drawn in with those lows there. Now we're going to also move this Fibonacci to that new high, and that target area is going to be redrawn to that new 23% level of that Fibonacci range. That'll be our new target area if it breaks below this trend line. So no entries yet. So long as this CCI keeps falling and it's lower than that point there, I can assume this is going to break to the downside. If that does rise higher than that area there, like it did back here, that point there was higher than that point there, then we're going to invalidate it. And that sometimes happens like it did here, but most of the time these divergences work out. And that's why I choose these closest Fibonacci ranges as target areas. I don't get too ambitious. A lot of the times they do break lower, but in this case we always choose the closest Fibonacci range. So I'll keep an eye on that and let you know how it goes in the coming days. But at the moment it's still looking pretty bullish as we speak. So to support us more, subscribe to the Patreon page where we look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel, hit that notification bell, and see you in a future video.